Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to easily change your country in the Zoho Mail account. To change your country in Zoho Mail, first of all, launch open any web browser on your mobile device or your computer. After you do that, go to the URL box at the bottom and type in zoho.com and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Zoho Mail. Go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile picture. Now in the expanded menu at the top right, tap on My Account. Inside the profile section on the next page, go ahead and click on Edit. Now you will be able to choose a new country or region. Tap on the drop down under Country/Region and select a different country. After you do that, click on Save. Now you'll be able to change your country in the Zoho account. You can always edit your country section by repeating the same process, and that's it. That's how you easily change your country or your region in Zoho Mail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.